Christina, and this week's Three Potato Girls is DIY. So today I'm going to be DIY fluffy slime. So roll the clip. The material you're going to be needing is plate, spoon, slime activator, glue, lotions, and these are optional. And so let's get going. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is pour your glue. So I'm pouring the glue into my bowl. Oh, I totally forget, you're also needing shaving cream to make your slime fluffy. Now let's pour the glue again. So guys, you can add as much as glue you want, so that's much I want. Next, you're gonna add shaving cream. Okay, so I think this much I have the shaving cream left. And then you're going to add lotion. So I'm using my Bath & Body Works lotions. Oh. Last but not least, add your soap. This is optional because I really want my slime to be green and smell good. So now you're going to be mixing this. So let's mix this. Alright guys, I'm assuming this doesn't turn green, but it's okay. After you mix this well, you're going to add your slime activator. So you're going to be adding your slime a little bit at a time, so that it doesn't make your slime roughed. Alright guys, if you see it's sticky, you need to add more activator. So let's go.
Oh no, I add too much.
Alright, so here's our turn slide. It's super stretchy. Alright, so thanks for watching this week's video, and here's how my slime turns like. To be honest, it's kind of hard because I accidentally added too much slime act, and also this doesn't turn green, which is completely fine because this is just an experiment or experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this will help you guys. So yeah.